still with me? I'm glad, because now I will going to show you the last geographic features that we have in the Philippines, and that is waterfalls. Tinoyan Falls. It is located in Surigao del Sur. It is one of the most popular waterfalls not only in the country but in the whole world. Bearing the nickname of the Little Niagara Falls of the Philippines because of its iconic four-tier drop of water. Tinago Falls. It is located in Lanao del Norte. The next on the list is a hidden gem tucked within the city of majestic waterfalls itself. It is also the top tourist destination because of its unwavering and unspoiled beauty that serves as a sweet treat to everyone who visits it. Asik-Asik Falls. It is located in Cotabato. It is said that the waterfalls was just discovered in 2010 because of curious individuals who reported that a certain mountain discharged sprinkles of water into a river. Kawasan Falls. It is located in Cebu. It is a multi-layered waterfall system at the foot of the famous Mantalungan mountain range. Kawasan Falls became a favorite tourist destination for international and local tourists. Tapia Falls. It is located in Ifugao near the rice terraces. The falls are relatively small but have a cool and relaxing stream of water. Cambogahay Falls. It is located in Siquijor, and many tourists place these falls on top of their itineraries during their visit in Siquijor. Kaparkan Falls. It is located in Abra. It is a unique wonder of nature where streams of crystal clear water cascade down multiple layers of limestone formations. Hulugan Falls. It is located in Laguna, one of the few waterfalls that you can easily access, especially if you're living in Metro Manila.